Alright, so this happened. Alright, people. So, we're going on an adventure, and yeah. We're not going to tell you guys what I'm going to pick up until we get there, but yeah, so I got some money, and yeah. Hopefully today goes all according to plan, because if this does, this is going to be good. It's going to be real good. So, we got an hour and 40-minute drive, I believe. So, let's get on the road. I'm not even 100% sure which direction I'm supposed to be going in now that I think about it. Damn, these people park like shit. Alright, let's see. Alright, I'll get to you guys when I get on the road. Alright, so this happened. So I picked up my dream wheels. These are literally BBS E88s. They're 18 by 11 square. So yeah, that's crazy, because I was literally just telling John, I'm like, I'm not buying anything, like, unless I find something crazy, and bruh, this is insane. So I could either flip them or use them. I'm probably gonna use them. I'm gonna actually go to the shop and test fit them now, but yeah, that's crazy. I can't believe it. I'm back. That was a terrible drive. Oh my god, because I wore slippers. As you guys can see, definitely not a good idea, but I cut the back of my foot open a couple of days ago, so yeah, I could have probably wore something else, but yeah, I'm still shocked about these wheels. Like, can't believe I got them. I'm gonna bring them to get refurbished. Most likely I'm gonna bring them to get refurbished. I'm actually gonna post them up like today, just to test waters and see what happens. But if somebody actually gives me my asking price, I'm gonna ask $3,500 for them. If somebody gives me that, cool, I'll sell them. If not, I'll get them restored for refinished for $500. Then I'll list them for $4,500, because these go for $4,800 to $5,300 refurbished. So yeah. But again, here are the wheels, BBS E88s, 18 by 11 square. I'm not sure of the offset, but you know, this is super crazy. Like, I can't believe it. I got a set of E88s. These are like the most hyped wheels ever. They're sick looking, don't get me wrong, but I'm the type of person who likes 19s. But I am going to actually test fit them on the car tomorrow. Most likely tomorrow, because John's gonna start getting some progress on the well, not start getting some progress, start buttoning up the LS swapped E46 wagon. So I'm going to go over there and get some clips of that, because that thing is going to be sick. And he may be starting it tomorrow, if not Wednesday. And then right after that, the supercharger comes off the M3. And then after the supercharger comes off, that's going to get sold. And then after the supercharger gets sold, I'm going to fix the M3 up. And then I'm going to decide to either keep it or sell it. But I might keep it. I don't know. I'll just see what works the best, what's the most fiscally responsible thing. But what I also may do, I've been considering it, is getting another M3, a newer one, like a 2009 to 2011, depending on how much I could get it for, and getting it in a DCT, because I do want an automatic car. Like, I don't really care for the manual anymore, but I could also throw it up on Turo whenever I'm not using it. Same thing as the other car that I'm planning to get, and put it up on Turo when I'm not using it. So yeah, there's that. I'm going to be fiscally responsible and do the right things and all that. So yeah, this is probably going to be the end of this video, but like, comment, subscribe, and I'll catch you guys in the next video when I what's the word, test fit the BBS E88s. Whew. Blue face, baby. Blue face, baby. Blue face, baby.